Welcome to Drive Vibes. Today we explore the legendary Lada Niva 4x4 in its latest modern form, a vehicle that stays true to its rugged soul while quietly evolving for today's roads and wild trails. This is a machine built for people who value simplicity, strength, and real off-road capability over flashy trends. The design of the new Lada Niva keeps its iconic boxy shape, which has become a symbol of toughness across generations. Compact proportions, short overhangs, and a high stance give it excellent approach and departure angles. The exterior feels honest and purposeful, with clean lines, durable bumpers, and practical lighting. It is not trying to impress with luxury. It is designed to survive harsh weather, rough terrain, and daily abuse in rural and urban environments alike. Under the skin, the Lada Niva continues to focus on mechanical reliability. Its full-time four-wheel drive system remains the heart of this vehicle, delivering constant traction on mud, snow, sand, and rocks. The locking differential and low-range capability make it a true off-roader rather than a soft city crossover. The suspension is tuned for articulation and stability, allowing the wheels to stay planted even on uneven surfaces, which is exactly what adventure lovers expect from a Niva. The engine setup is simple, dependable, and easy to maintain. It is built to handle long hours of driving in difficult conditions without stressing complex electronics. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it ideal for slow crawling on trails as well as steady cruising on rough roads. The driving experience feels raw and connected, giving the driver full confidence and control, especially when leaving the pavement behind. Inside the cabin, the Lada Niva surprises with practical upgrades while keeping its no-nonsense character. The dashboard design is straightforward with improved materials and better ergonomics. Modern touches like an updated infotainment system, better climate control, and enhanced sound insulation make daily driving more comfortable. The seating position is upright and commanding, offering good visibility in all directions, which is essential for off-road driving and city maneuvering. Safety and durability are clearly part of the focus. The body structure is reinforced to handle impacts and rough use. Essential safety features are included to meet modern expectations while still maintaining the vehicle's lightweight feel. This balance helps the Niva remain agile off-road and efficient for everyday use. What truly sets the Lada Niva apart is its personality. This is a vehicle made for explorers, farmers, adventurers, and anyone who wants a reliable companion rather than a status symbol. It thrives where roads disappear and conditions become unpredictable. Maintenance is straightforward, parts are affordable, and the design philosophy prioritizes function over fashion, making it an excellent choice for long-term ownership. In conclusion, the Lada Niva 4x4 continues to prove why it is one of the most respected off-road legends in the world. It blends classic rugged engineering with just enough modern comfort to stay relevant. It may not be the most luxurious or the fastest, but it delivers something far more valuable: honesty, reliability, and unstoppable capability. If you want a true off-road vehicle that stays loyal to its roots, the Lada Niva remains a powerful and timeless choice. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Drive Vibes for more real-world car stories and reviews.